Hello friends, my name is Maz and welcome to this Adobe XD introduction class. You will learn all the basics, tools, advanced features, prototyping and how to hand off your design to your clients and developers. I have added some additional points in the description and will keep adding new updates and links too. Don't forget to check them out. Downloading XD is free and simple. Go to adobe.com/xd and download your free version. This way it makes sure that you have the latest version installed. On launching XD, you will be presented with this welcome screen. On the left, you have options to manage your cloud documents and shared links. On the bottom, you can access your recent files, and on the top, you have multiple options to create a file for different devices. This is your design workspace. On the left, you have some basic designing tools. Below them, you have the Assets panel, Layers panel, and the Plugins panel. On the right, you have the Properties panel. This allows you to edit and customize object properties like fonts, colors, rounded corners, and some advanced features like speed grid, stacks, and scrolls, etc. On top, these tabs will help you navigate through design, prototype, and sharing mode. Moving to the right, you have this multi-editing feature for real-time collaboration, live preview on iOS and Android. This play icon allows you to view your design on your system, and in last, the zoom tool. In the middle, you got the space for your artboards and designs. XD only has the limited and the most required tool to ensure that you don't get lost in searching the right tool for your design. Starting from the top, the select tool, as you know, allows you to select and move objects around. If you select the artboard name, you can move the whole artboard with the designs. Rectangle tool helps you create rectangles and squares. Holding the shift key will keep the proportions locked. These points allows you to curve the corners, which you can do through the properties panel also. The ellipse tool helps you create circles and ellipse. Holding the shift key will again keep the proportions locked to draw a circle. Polygon tool helps you draw shapes with 3 or more sides. Use your up and down key while dragging to increase and decrease the number of sides. You can use your side keys to change it into a star. You can easily change all these properties from the properties panel. Moving to the next, the line tool helps you draw straight lines. Using your shift key while dragging will stick it to every 45-degree change. The pen tool is very important tool to create any custom shape using defined points and handles in your design. Text tool helps you create a single line text or hold and drag to create a box. Use the properties panel to change font properties and styling, etc. Next, the artboard tool helps you create new artboards for your designs, or you can choose a preset from the menu in the right. Last is the zoom tool, which I usually don't use much. Instead of it, you can use your mouse scroll wheel with the control key to easily zoom in and out. The hand tool is not given here, but you can hold your space bar to instantly activate it. Assets are very important. They are global components of our design. Any change in them will be inherited by all of its instances. Components are also a part of assets but can have multiple states with which you can interact through different triggers like tap, hover, slide, etc. Layers panel shows all the elements we have on our selected artboard. With no artboard selected, it simply shows all the artboards we have. The empty area outside these artboards is the pasteboard. Plugins are the third-party applications. They provide additional functionality and boost our productivity. Don't forget to check out some best plugins for you. Link is given in the description. The computational power of XD is very high and smooth. In order for you to keep up, XD is enriched with some advanced features. Repeat Grid allows you to create a set of repeated elements with simple click and drag and populate it with real-time data. If you customize one element, the changes will reflect instantly throughout the rest of the elements. Responsive design makes your component responsive by maintaining the alignment while resizing. You can either manually align the components or let the XD automatically do it for you. Scroll groups allows you to convert groups into independent scrollable sections like product sliders, image carousel, or interactive maps, etc. Stacks are like smart groups, consist of rows and columns with defined spacing. As you add, remove, or reorder objects in the stack, all other elements readjust themselves without having you to readjust them every time. Prototyping in XD is amazing. This allows you to create interactive prototypes by simply connecting components and artboards together. Here on the left, you only have the move and the zoom tool. On the right, you have this new properties panel which helps you add different trigger points like tap, drag, or voice commands, set their actions, destination, how the transition animates, and its duration, etc. In the latest update, Adobe made it possible to have multiple flows in a single design. This allows you to design your app for different devices in a single file and easily interact with them individually. Just select the flow you want to interact it with and hit the play button on the top right corner to interact. Previewing your app simultaneously on the device while designing will give real-time experience and helps better placement of design and user testing. In order to preview on an iOS device, you need to have the latest version of iTunes installed on Windows PC and connect the device via USB to preview it in the XD app. For Android, save your document to the cloud and open it in your XD app. You can interact with it, but for every change you do, you have to reload it again in your device. Sharing your design in XD is much more than just passing links to others. You can easily customize what you want to share and with whom depending on their role. You can also share your design specification with developers to use them in their development phase. Thanks for watching this video.